So in this slide, we try to learn declaration of string. Here I am writing string whose S is capital space S semicolon. So this S is an instance, or we can say a reference variable of this class string. Okay, so declare a variable. Here I am declaring S is an instance variable of class string. The second line. In the second line, what I am writing S equal to new string, and in a bracket, in a double inverted comma, I am passing one string hello world. So this is another way to declare and initialize the string. First way is just write class string space S semicolon. Second way is you can write S equal to new operator string class and pass the string. So this string is initialized with this reference variable s. Now character C assigned with s dot character add. So this method is used to find a particular character on particular index. For example, I stored hello comma space word. So this is a complete string that we store into this s reference variable. So if I want to know what is the character on index number 6 like this, or what is the character on index number 4. So look at here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at index number 4 we have character O. So how can I find it? So in a string we have one method called as character at char8. This method, in this method we have to pass index number. This method we call an object s. S is an instance of string, and in that instance we are storing this string. So s dot character add by passing index number. So this object help us to find a character at particular index with the help of method character add. So this method will return me the character available on index number 4, that is O. So O I can receive into this character variable C. Are you getting this, student? Now next is some strings methods. In string class we have so many methods which help us to solve the issues related with the string. For example, if I want to compare two strings, then equals is the method which is used to compare two strings. So how can we call this equals method? Equals method can be called on object of string. So suppose here I'm declare one object s1, and in that object I store Rohit, this name. For example, I am taking here in this I am declaring one name. Is it visible to everyone? Now look at here. Here S1 one string object. In that object we have one string Amit. Another object S2. In this also we have same string, that is Amit. Now I want to compare these two strings, this one with this one. So in string we have one method equals method. So I have to call s1 dot equal bracket s2. So if I am writing like this, then compiler will compare the content of s1, that is Amit, with content of s2, that is also Amit. If both are equal, then this returns true. If both are not equal, suppose here I am writing in small case, so it says false. The reason is that the small Amit have different ASCII value and capital Amit have different ASCII value. So this method will return false. So equals is a method of a string class which help us to identify whether both strings are equal or not. Similarly, we have another method that is length. If I want to calculate the length of the string, then length is a method available in a string class. How can we utilize it? S1 dot length, जैसा हम लोग कैरेक्टर के लिए करते थे, कैरेक्टर सॉरी एरे के लिए करते थे, एरे डॉट लेंथ. Similarly, for string we have length method which is used to get the length of the string. If we want to find a particular character at particular length, at particular index, then character add is a method for it. So I think these are the different methods which we can use in string.